Hello, good morning. NSN ke khango laga party kan bra ki do zimomi Wikoho Busi under Newland District laga HGB ke January 19 around 3:30 p.m. de Mizikedo Busti bra tage attack kuri gana lui je she kwase. Victim do ele Tuesday laga early morning de chari di she go she tage physical assault gora karni itya undisclosed hospital de elas jai ase ko she. Gido zimomi ge attack kura laga opor de Western Sumi Youth Front khan ba condemn gora laga janashe youth pra goshi ki do ele ekta provocation ase aro ceasefire ground rules violation ase goshe ki laga problems te hoile be manu ke chobojus kuri gina thamgi digina noile attack kura bra ki bi issue do hoile resolve no hobo goshe zimomi ke ki hisab bra ta ke attack kuri gina aru charishe do la opode pal bra chanbin kuri gina hosa do ele pahar de ulaule goshe Aru youth khan bra ceasefire monitoring board khan ke chulde dirin hoi gana ceasefire ground rules de ki likhi gana ase idula hisab te strictly action lobule labi janasha Security force kambra Assam Manipur aru Mizoram laga tinta district te alag alag jaga de operation kora homoy de 4.65 crore laga heroin do turishe aru 4 jon drugs peddler ke arrest kurishe koina officials kambra Tuesday de janai disha Impal laga police officials kambra kuise ke security force kambra Tisnubu district laga checkpoint de drugs peddler ekjon Hari Kari koina taike arrest kurishe aru dai laga hat bra 8 soapbox bidor de 94 gram heroin do hele recover kurishe goshe Manipur police kan baru goshe ke Impal West district de security force kan ba drugs peddler ekjon Muhammad Husan ge arrest kurishe goshe tai laga hat bra 310 gram heroin do hele recover kurishe goshe drugs seize kura laga welu do hele 2.26 crore thagishe goina officers kan bra janasha Assam de be specific information pa laga hisab te anti narcotic operation kura same de 356 gram laga heroin do hele recover kurishe goshe aru idola tam do hele 2 crore thagishe goshe security force kambra drugs peddler ekjon Anwar Husan ge bi arrest kurishe goshe Mizoram de bi specific information laga hisab de Chambai district Judi area de Assam Rifle kambra operation conduct kura homoy de ekta scooty de intercept kurina checking kura dam de 49.6 gram laga heroin do ele recover kurishe goshe idula dam do ele 39 lakhs thagishe goshe security force kambra transport kura manu ekjon ke tangsa lala taike arrest kurishe goina janai dishe Longdeng district Arunachal Pradesh de security force kambra joint operation kura homoy de NSN KYA laga sapai ekjon do ele surrender kurishe goshe ta laga nam do hele aka ale khawang wangsu 38 sal dai do Longpong Busti under Longdeng district laga ase goshe Assam Rifle officers kambra ko ase ke information ba laga hisab de January 19 de Assam Rifle laga Kongsa battalion aro Longdeng battalion aro Arunachal Police kan lo de coordination kuri gana Longdeng Bazar area de operation launch kura homoy de NSN ke laga sabai do hele surrender kurishe kushe arrest kura individual arrest kura laga manu do hele itia Longdeng police station de further legal action lobo karne handover kurishe kushe Kutraja district Assam de Monday laga rati de Twitter group majote laga lagi hoi gana ekjon manu ke morai dia karne itia Assam de halat to hele bishi biya de ase kushe Tuesday de bi Pudu aru Adivasi jati majote nudon laga lagi hoise kushe state government khan bra mobile internet service to hele further notice na thaka dak pon guri dishe kwase officials khan bra ko ase ke rumors no hele misinformations kan social media de spread kuri gana halat to hele biya no hobo karne internet service to hele suspend kurishe kushe kun manu bra idu laga notice de kotha namanibo legal action do hele lobo koi gana janai dishe district magistrate bra PNSS 2023 laga section 163 prohibition order do hele impose kurishe koi ase police kambra idia idu laga mamla opor de 19 manu khan ke arrest kurishe koi na janashe Afghanistan laga capital Kabul de Monday laga sam 3 baje nista de Chinese restaurant de suicide bomb phutia ke 7 jon manu muri jashe aru 13 jon jokam gurishe kosha suicide bomb do Islamic State Khorasan khan bra responsibility doile claim kurise Taliban authorities khan bra tu state inde kuise ke bomb blast te 7 jon muri jala de ekta do Chinese national aro 13 jon jokam ba ke foreigners aro Chinese nationals khan bi melai gana thakise kuise Group khan ba claim kura do hoile tai khan bra Chinese nationals ke target kuri gana hamla kurise kuise China embassy Kabul bra kuise ke Afghanistan de itia security situation doile bishi bia ase kuise aro China nationals khan ke Afghanistan de visit kuru bole pon kuru bole laka janase Kabi Anglong district laga authorities kambra juste laga pujor de government laga mati de illegal ba encourage kuri thakya de eviction drive jaise wase eviction bra 2000 families kan affect kurise goina janai dishe Officials kambra ko ase ke eviction drive laga notice to ele advance ba dishe goise edu karne ogobai kra manu khan bra tai khan nijo bra voluntary bra etu jaga khan do ele khali kuri luise goise eviction drive te eku bia incidents kan do hwa nai goise India khan bra Bangladesh te thakia laga diplomats aro tahan la family members kan High Commission laga officials aro alag mission de kam guri thakia laga officials kan sob withdraw kuri luise wase sources ba janai dishe ke etu do hele situation bia hwa karne precaution lobo karne ase goise Indian diplomats ba janai dishe ke Dhaka de Indian High Commission do hele continue bra operate kuri thakibo goise ajala khobor de man de khatam kuri di ase jidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona janai di ase thank you